the flashlight and the... Okay, here's a wire nut in a panel box that shouldn't be in a panel box, so we're going to untape it.
Save the wire nuts. I always do.
Save the wire nut, and we're going to take this white wire out of here. Okay, and where is it? It is
right there.
Right there. Out, here comes that, and we will take this white wire. We can go up, go back in behind there, and okay, now let's see, get that right in the, where is the hole? Okay, and I want to make sure that the insulation is not under and the wire is through. Okay, now let's see where these red and black...
I had no idea what the hell these should go to. Oh, that's power lines.
Oh, no, you know, here's two circuits. We can put them on two separate circuits, so here's another thing.
Well, this circuit's already got one on it.
Right, but there's two...
There's... what are you going to do, hook it to that breaker and that breaker?
Yeah.
But you got 3 wires, David.
Yeah, they're sharing a neutral.
I know that ain't my work. I don't get blue tape. Don't
You
like
have
it.
a neon tester. I want to make sure they're not connected somewhere upstairs together. So we're going to take this off of here. Okay, let's get over here. Can you slide over a little bit?
I can, but I don't know if the chairs will.
Okay, yep, I can get in there. Okay. Oh, that wasn't even that tight either. Okay, we're going to take and put the black down here. Okay, put the light on the breaker there. Okay. Okay, now we're going to take and turn this one on. Okay, so let's turn the main on. Okay, now do you have any on? Can we check this wire, see if it's live?
I tell you, these things are the cat's ass. No, dead line.
Okay, 100% sure it's dead?
Yeah, because if it's hot, it flashes red like this. Where the hell is the dead line?
Okay, alrighty.
So what that goes to, I don't know.
Okay, so
It's probably just a neutral.
Alrighty, but then it'll trip a breaker. So, but if that's showing it's dead, it's dead. So we'll turn this one off, and we can put it on here. Okay, you want to turn that on and see what happens?
Yeah.
No problems. Alrighty, so now we brought this box